Okay, problem 915. So problem 15, chapter 9 from CFIN7. So we're going to calculate internal rate of return and modified internal rate of return. So one thing to note about here, we're going to do this in Excel and in using the BA2 Plus Professional. The BA2 Plus Professional or any BA2 Plus is actually I don't remember if the Plus has the modified internal rate of return, but I actually don't believe it does. But anyway, it's very unreliable, so you can get some very strange results. So anyway, well, let's start with the problem. Rascal Clothing is evaluating new weaving machine that costs $90,000. Expected that the machine will generate after-tax cash flows equal to $54,000 a year for 2 years. Rascal's required rate of return is 10%. Compute the project's IRR and modified internal rate of return, and then determine whether it should be purchased. So I've set up a little table here. So the RR 10%. So initial cash flow is 90,000. So I need a negative sign before that. So let's go here and hit the comma to get. There we go. All right. So then we're going to generate 54,000 and 54,000. All right, so just equals IRR, and then open paren, and then close paren. And so 13%, let's add a couple zeros, so 13.07. So now modified internal rate of return is equals MIRR. So we're going to the values, and then the in Excel it has the finance rate and reinvestment rate. That rate is the same in all of our problems, so that's that we're going to use the 10%. So highlight the 10%, comma, and select it again. So your finance rate and your reinvestment rate are both 10%. Now your modified internal rate of return is 12% to 12.25. So modified internal rate of return should always be somewhere between the IRR and the required rate of return. So in this case, 12.25. So 12.25% is greater than 10%. So you would purchase the project.